How to add portfolio in LinkedIn. So if you want to add portfolio in LinkedIn, then what you need to do is first open up a browser, any browser that you are comfortable with, and then go with the search and search for LinkedIn. Once you search, go with linkedin.com and make sure to log in or sign into your account. Once you've signed in, now go with the Me option, which is here on the upper right. Click on Me and then go with View Profile. Under that, here you will have an option of Add Profile section. Click on that option, and here you will have a bunch of options. In here, you will have all of the options like add profile photo, add about, education, position, services, career break, skills, and under the recommended section, you will have all of these features, and under additional, you will again have all of these options. So what you need to do is go to your home page and go with the option of start a post, try writing with AI. So here you will have start a post up. So go with the home page and click on start a post option. Once you're on start a post, now you can simply write anything that you would like to post. You can create an event, add the date to celebrate the occasion. You can share that you're hiring. You can create a poll, add a document. You can find an expert option. Click on add documents. Here you will have find an expert or add a document option. So click on add document option. Once you click on it, now here you will have an option of choose file, right? So click on choose file and you can choose a file from your computer. Add the description for the document, title as I'm adding a portfolio. Now add a description like add portfolio. After that, you can add a post and you're done. So that's how you can add portfolio in LinkedIn. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.